Successful weight management starts with a mindset. So let's start with these two golden rules. 1, successful weight management is a byproduct of your overall health and lifestyle. 2, successful weight management is not a 12-week point A to point B with a finish line challenge. It's a lifestyle. We all know this, guys. So whether you're working late night at the job, or maybe you gotta pick up the kids from school, get them over to their soccer game, and then scoot them over to violin practice. Or maybe you're on vacation with the family. Being away from home, it's part of life. So we put our heads together, and we got the group of expert coaches at Hit Fitness Warehouse and Hit Fit Nutrition to come up with 25 tips, 25 ways that you can now eat well on the go. No more excuses. This is going to be a game changer, guys. This will allow you to still make your exercise and nutrition priority numero uno, no matter where life takes you. Let us know if you have any questions with it. Let us know what we can do to help, and good luck.